Alright friends, so this is after a good 2-3 days making sure I'm going around, making sure I got space in the back. In comparison, we're gonna compare it to something like this. Apparently he didn't have to hit the road for anything, which is okay. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Doesn't have to dig out for anything. I was able to at least take those couple of days and start digging myself a nice little walkway. And now, most recently today, I can't talk because my lips are numb. Making myself a little area where I can drive out. Of course, I'm gonna have to extend it at least up to at least here, just to give this enough space. If I gotta hit the road tomorrow, I can go this way. Also, shouts out to Nissan. I got myself a wonderful Nissan Rogue that in 6 years, a 2019 Nissan Rogue that in 6 years, I've only put 60,000 miles on it because I bought it at 30,000 miles. So that's my baby right there. That's my baby right there. Yeah. 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 Progress. Ready for tomorrow. Progress. Look at that. Compared to this. And the street blocked off, which is good. Boom. All right. Probably time for a liquor store run. It's almost sundown and the closest liquor stores are closed. Time to walk all the way to Broadway, Astoria, Queens. Drink responsibly. And here we are, right in the middle of the road. Look at all this. Oh, these Timberland boots, amazing. Check this out. I'm walking. Wait, is there a car behind me? Yep. Time to move over. Let that person pass. Because now no one's walking on the sidewalks. We're walking right down the street. And you're probably thinking, Hugo, where are you going? I'm going to the liquor store. Now another liquor, the one that I wanted to go to, they're closed. So we're getting to another liquor store that's closer to my high school. And you're thinking, high school? You have to walk all the way there? But it's okay. But it's okay because it's literally a 10-minute walk from my apartment. Because look. Now, I've done a majority of the work of getting almost all of the snow out from around my car in case I do gotta hit the road tomorrow. So all I would do is pretty much take care of this, which is not a big problem. But hopefully, with the way the sun is looking today, oh my goodness, feel that sun. Hopefully a lot of this is gonna be melted by tomorrow, because I gotta get back on the road. I gotta get back to work and stuff. But you know what I've been trying to convince people of? Random people that walk by in my neighborhood, even if they've never met me, even if they don't know who the hell I am, I'm trying to convince them to just take a snowball and just throw it at a random person today. Don't forget, take a snowball and throw it at someone today. Yeah. Promise? We're still friends? Good. Complete strangers. Don't forget, take a snowball and throw it at someone today. Don't forget. Promise? Good. We gotta spread some happiness and some camaraderie and some love in the midst of all this chaos that we're kind of living through on Earth. Right? We could do that or fight. I'd rather not fight. Done way too much of that in my life. Yeah. I'd rather not fight. Thanks for watching. Salazar Network.